User 28 asks, is it difficult to immigrate to the US if you're 40 years old? Age doesn't necessarily make a difference. It's generally difficult to come to the United States. So age isn't really a factor in any immigration program I could think of. It just depends on if you have access. The US immigration system is based on 3 primary ways of coming here, 3 to 4. First is family-based, so it's not your age, it's like, do you have a relative that's close enough? Secondly, it's employment-based, and so it depends on if you have a job, your education potentially, if you're extraordinary ability, if you're investing, not age-related. Third, if you win the green card lottery, the diversity visa lottery, again, not age-related. And then finally, some people do asylum. Those are the 4 main ways people get status in the United States as immigrants, green card holders. There's some smaller ways, U visas or something like that, that eventually could lead to green card, or some other things. But basically, that's it for the most part. So again, age doesn't play a factor primarily in those. Now, I mean, let's say you were a baseball player for 39 years, top of your game, then you retired at 40, you wouldn't be able to get a special baseball, top baseball player kind of green card. So it gets really nuanced if you're going to read it to age, but it's generally a non-issue. It really depends on your personal background and those factors I talked about who could start the case for you. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the US immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.